Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Let's learn about static variables. Static variables are kind of shared variables in Java. For example, if there is a class which has a variable which can be shared among all of the objects of that particular class, then that variable should be declared as static variable in Java. For example, there are suppose 50 students in a class and all of them have different names, different roll numbers, but everyone but all of them share the same college name. So it makes sense to declare the college name as a static variable. Let's take an example. Just to save some time, I have created this project here. So let me create a new class. Says finish. Let us have a private variable name, private string name, and then private string college name. Here, since the college name is going to be constant, here the college name is going to be shared by all of the students. So let's declare it as a static variable. So to declare a variable to be static, we use the keyword static. So this will tell the compiler that this particular variable college name is going to be static and will be shared by all of the objects of this class student. Again, we create the application class here. So let's create a couple of student objects here. Student is equal to new let's generate some getters and setters here. Now let us declare a method which will display the information of the students. So public void info it will just display the name of the student. So it will display the college name. Notice something here. The compiler is giving a warning that the static field should be accessed in a static way. So what exactly does this static way mean? Well, here by static way we mean that the static variable does not belong to any particular object of the class. So it should not be accessed using this operator, because this essentially points to the current object, and since this variable is static, so this belongs to this particular student class. It does not, college name does not belong to any particular student. It does not belong to student or student 2. It belongs to the entire student class. So the way to access this variable should be student dot college name. So this is the right way to access the student object. So let me delete this. Let us assign values to this student object. Student dot set name, say Arjun, then student dot set college name, and let the college name be NITJ. Let's say this. Again, it is giving a warning that state method set college name from type student should be accessed in a static way. So see the method declaration set college name. We have auto generated these methods. So what the compiler did was it declared the set college name method and get college name method to be static. So the methods which access the static variables are by default static. We can always remove this static from here. That's also correct. So since I have not explained the static methods so far, so let's remove them from the time being. Let's save this. Again, let us set name of the other student. Let the name be NM. Let's save this. And now we will call this info method, which will print name of the student and college name. So student dot info student2 dot info. Let's save this and run this. So it is printing the name of first student Arjun and the college name, and the name of the second student Annie and college name. Here notice something, that in case of this student object I have assigned the college name, but in case of student 2 I did not assign the college name. I did not do this student 2 dot set college name. So this line was actually not required because the college name variable is static and it doesn't need to be set for every single object. The college name variable, so the college name variable is being shared by the entire student class. So for every single object of this student class, the college name will be shared. So if we assign the college name for one object, it will be automatically shared by all of the student objects, means it will be automatically assigned to all of the student objects. So what we usually do to set the static variables, we use the class name, because the entire class is going to share this particular college name. So the right way to do this is we use the class name student. Notice that the S is uppercase here because we are not using the student object, we are using the student class itself for accessing the college name static variable. And by convention in Java, to access static variables, we use static methods. It is perfectly legal to access static variables without using the static keywords, but let's do that. public static void and the method name. Let's say this. So student dot set college name, and here we can set the college name. So this particular college name is going to be shared by all of the objects of student class. So let's run this. So here we have not assigned college name to any particular object, neither to this Arjun object nor to this any object, and it is being shared by all of the objects of this class. So this is how static variables work. Well, there is a limitation that this static methods can only access static variables. This static method, say this get college name or set college name, cannot access non-static variables. It cannot access this name variable. This is a limitation of static methods. We will discuss about it uh, in the subsequent tutorials when we discuss about the static method. In case you find this video informative, like it and share it. If you have any question or suggestion, kindly feel free to comment on this video. For more such video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for your time.